Hey everyone, welcome back to Be Nadim, your trusted guide for studying and building a career abroad. Today we're diving into the latest UK immigration update for 2025-2027, and trust me, visa changes are big for international students and graduates. If you're planning to study or stay in the UK, you need to hear this. Let's start with the student visa changes. From the 11th of November 2025, the UK is increasing the required maintenance funds for students. Students in London will now need to show £1,529 per month for up to 9 months. Those outside London must show £1,171 per month for up to 9 months. The maximum accommodation deduction will also rise to £1,529 for new applications. So if you're applying after November 2025, make sure your financial documents are ready and updated. Now here's the big update. The graduate route work period is changing. From January 1st, 2027, most bachelor's and master's graduates will get 18 months of post-study work time instead of 2 years. But don't worry, there are exceptions. If you apply before January 2027, you'll still get the full 2 years. And if you're a PhD or doctoral graduate, your 3-year post-study stay remains unchanged. That means plan early and apply before the deadline to enjoy the current benefits. These updates come from the UK Immigration White Paper, May 2025, and they'll impact your study and career plans. It affects your financial planning, your work timeline, and even your choice of intake or university. So whether you're already in the UK or planning to go, this is the time to plan smartly. The UK is still a top destination for quality education and global opportunities, but now, understanding the new visa rules is key to success. So share this update with your friends and classmates who want to study in the UK. It could save them time, money, and stress. Don't forget to subscribe to Be Nadim on YouTube. And follow us on Facebook for the latest updates on UK study visas and career tips. Stay informed, stay confident, and always be Nadim.